Peace and blessings, fam. Join me as I walk you through this hair hack step by step that will not only just save you money, but it will also save you time. If you are looking for a style that is going to be quick styling, but also healthy for your hair, this is the video for you. This hair hack will not only just save you money, but it will also save your hair as well because this is a healthy hair hack that is going to reduce tension, pulling, and stress on your edges. So let's dive right into this video and learn these DIY hacks for your hair. This is it, ladies. This is the perfect hair hack. Yes, it will save you money, time, and most of all, it will save your hair. Yes, if you are looking for a way to simplify your hair install, protect your hair, and pay less all at the same time, this video is for you. So, watch how I install this video and give you all the tips, tricks, and the hacks that you are going to need. As you can see, I've already started her braid pattern. I braided her hair going down. These braids are going down because I want to protect her edges. I want to make sure that her edges that are already thin, they are thinning out as you can see here in the front. I want to make sure that I am putting as least tension, pressure, and pulling on them as possible. Her edges are very fragile and very thin, so I braided those braids going down. And because of this style that she's going to be getting, I braided the middle where her hair is more healthy at. I braided these braids going back. But again, I also made sure that I braided those braids very loosely. And here is the hack, ladies. Yes, as you can see here, I'm showing you how loose these braids are. Again, when you have someone who have very fragile and thin hair, especially around the edges, you want to make sure that those braids are very loose. But again, here is the hack. So I am going to use this weaving net on her edges, and I am going to show you exactly what I'm going to use this net for. Again, this is going to be a passion twist crochet install. And here, as you can see, I am sewing that net on her edges. Please take note that I am not going all the way underneath her braids with this needle as I'm sewing them in. I am only going through the top of the braid, and I hope that that makes sense. And voila, here is the savings. This hair is only what? $9.99 a pack. And we used 4 packs. So that is $36. That's all it took to do an entire head. It was uh $42. What is that? 10 times 4, $40. And as you can see here, I started doing my install. I am starting in the back, and these passion twists are kind of thick, so I'm going to do the finger space method. Yes, if you are not familiar with the finger space method, that means I am putting a crochet passion twist 1 finger space apart, and I'm going to show you as I go along. Look how full that looks already, and that's only 6 passion twist on that bottom row. Again, I'm going to show you how I do the finger space, which just means I'm only putting 1 crochet a finger space away from each other. This is how you get the braids to look nice and full. However, it doesn't look too bushy and too wiggy like. So again, I'm going to use the finger space method, and I'm going to use the hack with the weaving net, and I'm going to show you as I get closer. This is 1 pack. Look how full that looks. And then here I am going to be crocheting on that net. Look at that. Look how the crochets are going right through that net. What is this net going to be used for? Well, it's to protect her hair for one. And 2, it's going to give me the fullness that she needs in the area, especially around her edges where her edges are really thin. I am going to be crocheting on that net, and that's going to fill in that area. Yes, this is going to reduce any pulling, any tension, and any stress on her hair because I'm only crocheting on the net. Look at that. You see how I just put that needle through the net and I'm pulling that crochet through? There is nothing being sewn onto her natural hair. So again, this is a great protection for anyone who has hair loss, who has thin hair, who has short hair around the edges, who has damaged hair, or even someone that has nice healthy hair but they want to protect their hair and make sure that it doesn't come out or that it doesn't put any tension on it. So again, as you can see here, I am filling this in. Look how gorgeous this is coming out. These passion twists are absolutely amazing to work with. They were very easy to work with because they have the pre-loop at the very beginning. I find that the crochets that have the pre-loop at the beginning of the crochet is the easiest to work with. They are very easy DIYs. You can definitely do this at home yourself. You can actually do this hack by sewing that net on. You can use this finger space. That's a great hack and a great tip that you can use. And look how I'm using my finger and I am twisting. This is another hack, you ladies. Take note. I am using my finger to twist the very beginning of the crochet. When you twist the very beginning of the crochet before you pull the rest of the crochet through, it gives it a tighter knot at the very beginning. And this looks nice and neat. And as you can see here, we are almost done, and I am going in with the last hack. Oh my goodness. Look at this, ladies. I am sewing this crochet on. Instead of using the crochet needle and sewing it and crocheting it, that may put a lot of tension on this area, and I want to reduce again as much tension and stress on her edges as possible. So I am sewing these passion twists on, and that thread is going to make it much lighter, much easier. The passion twist is still going to be versatile, which means it's going to be able to move left, right, forward, back. It doesn't matter. And this is going to look so natural. Look how natural that is looking. Look how it's filling in this part so that her part is going to be very thin and looks more natural. Oh my goodness, if you have not tried this hack, you need to try it. Try sewing those crochets on instead of crocheting, especially when your hair is really thin and very fragile. Use this sew method. So all I'm doing is taking that crochet needle, the weaving needle, and I am going through the crochet pre-loop. I'm taking that needle right through the loop just as I would if I was using the crochet needle, but instead I'm using the weaving needle. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful this style came out. Look how full it looks. Look, she can pull it up in the back in a ponytail and wear a high ponytail if she desires. She can pull the front to the back. Look how gorgeous this looks. It looks so natural in the front. She has a beautiful hairline. She doesn't want her face to be shown, so of course that's why I have the little happy face there. But again, this is a excellent, excellent hair hack that you can use. Several that I showed you, several tips, several tricks, and it was very cost effective. Yes, again, there were $9.99 a pack. We used 4 packs. That was a $40. This is a $40 style. So again, I hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel. Please give me a thumbs up. And please smash that bell so you do not miss any of my videos because yes, I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to check out our website. Tap the link in the description below. Check out our hair growth products and also check out my custom closure. Thanks, peace, and we out. Introducing our new hair growth oil. Yes, G&G has done it again. This is our 100% all natural hair growth oil. Yes, it is packed with organic hair growth ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, our prices are very affordable, only $15. So yes, tap the link below to order on our website. Yes, get your order in today. G&G Hair Growth Oil.